Hello, thank you for tuning in today. Yesterday I ordered this EasyFeet insole. It's the Black Onyx Black Onyx model, or whatever you want to call it. So like it comes in this box that actually feels very, like, it gives you the feeling that it's a really good quality product. The other ones that I've purchased so far just come in a thin, flimsy box. So that caught my attention just as I took it out of the Amazon bag. I'm just gonna break the seal here. I don't know if I have to cut it or I just peel it. Oh, I can peel it slowly off in case I need to return it. Hopefully I don't need to return it. So all the insoles I bought so far have not worked out for me. The first one was from Trust, I forgot what it's called, Trust something, and it seemed to work at first, but then the extra bump in the insole caused my feet to have some pain. Anyway, I'll talk about it later. Okay, so it opens like this. The insoles are inside of this paper, thin paper, and here are the insoles. They feel nice. Let's see, I'm just pressing down to see how much cushion. There's not much cushion down here. There's some padding for the balls of your feet, but it's actually pretty thin. I don't know. We'll see how it feels when I put in my shoe. There's another pad for the heel, and you can see it's very curvy to support a high arch. And yeah, there's the other one. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put it in my shoe because my feet have been giving me a lot of pain lately. Let's see, insole template for test trim. Okay, the good thing about these insoles is even if you trim them, you can still return them. I recently bought ones from Shoals that were cheaper, and so it was okay that I couldn't return them. I trimmed them, and then I later on found out I can't return them if I've trimmed them. So I think the Shoals ones were $18. These ones were, I think, 30, 35, 40, somewhere between there. $35, $40 with taxes came out to $50. Luckily I had a gift card from work, so I just used my gift card to pay for it. These are some how to trim instructions. And the good thing about this model is that it has some odor absorbent material. So the other model that is not the Onyx, it was just called Black without Onyx. It doesn't have the odor absorbent thing. Not that my feet smell that much, at least I don't think they do. But yeah, I just thought $5 more for the top model might be worth it. We'll see. I hope these insoles will work for me. I'll just get my shoes really quickly here. Okay, so Here are my shoes. They're just Merrell, I believe. Merrell brand shoes. I don't know, it costs about... Actually, they're pretty cheap. I think they're around like... I bought them years ago. I wear my shoes for years because I don't play any real sports or anything, so they last a long time. So in here, I have the Scholes ones. And they've been good so far, but the this heel support, arch support, doesn't really support my arch because my arch is a lot higher than this goes, and it doesn't feel like there's anything supporting my arch, which is what's causing my feet pain right now. And they're kind of flimsy. As you can see, they're really flimsy, so when you have them in your shoe and you put your foot in, it almost feels like it's pushing the insole forward, even though it is actually really sticky on this side, so it shouldn't be doing that, but it always feels like it's moving forward whenever I slide my feet into my shoes. So I'm just taking these out right now, and I'm hoping, well, actually I can compare the size. I'm hoping that I don't have to cut these new ones. Yeah, looks like, so I bought the medium, which is, it says size 9, yeah, size 9 to 10.5 or something, but my shoes are size 9, and these that I bought from the store that were 9 to 10.5 are a 9, so yeah, it should go into my shoe without cutting it, which I really like, because then if I don't fit it, or if it doesn't work out for me, I can just return it without having the product damaged. There, see, it goes right in, nice like that. I'll stick it, the other one, into the shoe. Yeah, I wish I did a video for the other insoles I tried. The ones before this were pretty sturdy, and they were really good insoles, except that there was a bump for metatarsal support or something, and it ended up hurting my right foot, whereas it didn't hurt my left foot, so that was really odd, but I had to return them because of that. It actually hurt so much when I was at the grocery store. I had to take my foot out of my shoe because I couldn't bear the bump that was pushing up against my foot in a weird spot that caused a lot of pain. So okay, something's not fitting right in there. There's a huge bulge. I think it's, actually I'm not sure why there's a bulge, because it should fit. Okay, I pushed the bulge down. It feels like it's okay without cutting it. Okay, you just do the same on this side. It could be possibly maybe I have to get the toe down first. Maybe more of it needs to go back. It feels okay. Yeah, that feels okay. This side just needs to be pushed down. Yeah, so these ones don't feel as sturdy as the first ones I got. So, like around the front of the foot, like it feels kind of flimsy compared to the other one, but not as flimsy as these ones. Like these ones don't even support themselves. These are gel, and actually the gel on this one it actually feels pretty cool when you're walking around with them. I just wish it had a high support for the arch. Okay, I'm gonna try them on. Okay, just Okay, they feel good. I can feel the arch support, so that's good too. Okay, let me try this on. Ouch. I was just saying ouch because I squashed my finger trying to get it in. Okay, there. Wow, these actually feel good. I like them. Well, I'll make another video when after I've worn it for maybe a month. I think I have possibly 90 days, or I forgot what it said, but I'm gonna have to make a decision whether to keep them or not before the return time runs out. So I'll make a update before that. I have to check my phone to see how many days I have. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want to try these out and you're around a size 9 like I am, you should order the ones that are 9 to 10.5. It seems to be a size 9. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Please hit the thumbs up and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video or want to say anything about the video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.